In the bustling world of electric vehicles, Hyundai is making waves with its latest offering, the Hyundai Inster. This compact electric crossover, measuring a mere 3.6 meters in length, promises to redefine urban commuting with its impressive features and affordability. Slated for its grand debut on June 27 at the Busan Auto Show in South Korea, the Inster is already generating significant buzz, thanks to the teaser images released on Hyundai's official website. Despite the shadowy images, it's clear that the Hyundai Inster shares its silhouette with the gasoline-powered Hyundai Casper. However, the Inster sets itself apart with a distinctive design marked by pixelated LED lights and a charging port cover replacing the traditional grille. These subtle yet striking differences underscore its electric identity. While Hyundai has kept the full interior details under wraps, we know that the Inster will boast a digital instrument cluster and an 8.0-inch touchscreen. These features hint at a modern, tech-savvy cabin that aims to enhance the driving experience. One of the most compelling aspects of the Hyundai Inster is its range. The compact crossover can travel up to 355 kilometers on a single charge, making it a practical choice for city dwellers and daily commuters. Although other specifications remain a mystery, this range positions the Inster as a formidable player in the electric vehicle market. Pricing is another strong suit for the Inster. With a starting price of approximately €22,000 in Europe, it competes directly with slightly larger models like the Citroen C3 and Dacia Spring. This competitive pricing makes the Inster an attractive option for those looking to enter the electric vehicle market without breaking the bank. Production for the European market will take place in the Czech Republic, where Hyundai already assembles the Kona crossover. This strategic move ensures that the Inster will be readily available to meet the anticipated demand across Europe.